Today I'm talking about the all-new Nissan Terra, the forbidden Nissan Xterra replacement. The exterior is rugged and premium. The interior is premium and rugged. It comes with features like 8 to 9 inch touchscreen, Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, 8-speaker Bose sound system, 6-speaker sound system. Rear seats get 11-inch fold-down monitor with HDMI inputs and wireless charging and keyless entry. And in terms of exterior colors, you can get forged metallic copper, galaxy black, and there are even more exterior colors. In terms of wheel choices, 17-inch to 18-inch wheels, and exterior is filled with lots of chrome, obviously. And in terms of engines wise, you can have a 2.5 liter 4-cylinder turbo diesel producing 188 horsepower, or a 2.5 liter 4-cylinder petrol producing 165 horsepower up to 180 horsepower. Power is delivered through a 7-speed automatic gearbox or a 6-speed manual gearbox. It's available with rear-wheel drive or 4-wheel drive. And it's also come with flat folding rear seats and red and leather interior or fabric seats or acoustic glass. And of course it comes with EL, VE and VL. Those are the trim levels. And towing capacity 5,000 pounds. Overall, for me this is a better vehicle than the Toyota 4Runner. There is no question about that. Overall, this is what Nissan should be selling in the United States right now. But they are not. It's very, very sad indeed. So on this notion, I'm going to end this video. Thank you very much.